Geomeeting's virtual platform for emergency response and management is a valuable tool for navigating the digital age. Geomeeting has a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily find and access the resources they need. The platform integrates various sources of data, including satellite imagery, weather data, social media feeds, and news reports, to provide a comprehensive and up-to-date picture of the situation on the ground. This information can be used to identify areas that are most in need of assistance, coordinate resources, and prioritize response efforts. One of the key features of the platform is its ability to facilitate collaboration between different organizations and agencies involved in emergency response and management. The platform allows users to share information and insights in real time, improving coordination and communication between different groups. Geomeeting has a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily find and access the resources they need. Geomeeting enables real-time communication and coordination between emergency responders. This ensures that all team members are kept up to date with the latest information and resources. Geomeeting also provides a comprehensive suite of tools and resources that allow users to quickly and effectively manage their emergency response efforts. These tools and resources include detailed maps, comprehensive data analysis, and access to a variety of other resources that can help emergency responders respond quickly and effectively. Another important aspect of the platform is its focus on accessibility. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to all, regardless of their level of technical expertise. The platform utilizes geospatial technology to provide real-time information on emergencies and disasters, enabling emergency responders and managers to make informed decisions quickly. This ensures that everyone involved in emergency response and management, from frontline responders to senior officials, can easily access the information they need to make informed decisions. It also offers a suite of features that allow users to collaborate with each other in real time, helping to ensure that emergency response teams are well coordinated and informed. Geomeeting also provides a variety of visualizations that can help users better understand the data related to an emergency response situation. These visualizations can help emergency responders quickly identify areas of concern and develop more effective strategies for responding to the situation. Geomeeting is designed with security and privacy in mind. The platform uses the latest encryption technologies to protect user data and ensure that only authorized users have access to the data and resources they need. Additionally, the platform is designed to be compliant with all applicable privacy laws and regulations. Geomeeting also provides a variety of features and tools that allow users to customize their security settings, helping to ensure that their data and resources are kept secure and private. There are several tools and resources that can aid in quick and effective response and emergency management. Emergency alert systems can quickly and effectively alert the public. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook can be used to disseminate information. Geomeeting's virtual platform for emergency response and management is a valuable tool for navigating the digital age. By utilizing geospatial technology and facilitating collaboration and communication, the platform is helping to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of emergency response and management efforts. It is an invaluable resource that can help save lives and ensure that emergency responders are well informed and prepared.